Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is Monsoon Season Extended. Why in news? According to a recent IMD forecast, the 2024 monsoon season has been extremely unpredictable and could extend into October. However, experts claim this year's extended monsoon is not an anomaly. It has been a slow trend in the making for over a decade. What's driving this monsoon change? Climate change is intensifying monsoon patterns in India, leading to more erratic and extreme rainfall. Warmer ocean temperatures and atmospheric changes are increasing moisture levels, resulting in heavier downpours and flooding. El Nino and La Nina events further amplify this volatility. While El Nino initially weakened monsoons, causing droughts in some regions, La Nina led to excessive rains and floods. These oscillating weather patterns, combined with the broader effects of climate change, are worsening the unpredictability of monsoons and disrupting agriculture, water management, and daily life across India. Extended monsoon impact on food security. This year's extended monsoon brings trouble for the Kharif crops, also known as the monsoon crops, as a good yield depends on a well-timed retreat of the monsoon. With excess rainfall leading to excess rain soaking by the fields, the harvested production is deeply affected, leading to an increased risk of crop losses as the Kharif crops like paddy, maize, and cotton are highly sensitive to moisture levels. This shifting monsoon pattern has become a growing concern for India's farming community, especially in regions where rain-fed agriculture dominates. Between 2015-16 and 2021-22, hydrometeorological calamities like floods and heavy rainfall damaged 33.9 million hectares of cropped area, according to data from the Ministry of Agriculture. Now let's talk about what can be done to save the crop. Experts suggest the formulation and adaptation of more and more climate-resilient agricultural practices. An overhaul of agricultural planning is becoming extremely relevant with the exacerbating effects of climate change. Diversifying crops, improving drainage systems, and adopting drought and flood-resistant varieties are just some of the strategies that could help mitigate the impact of erratic monsoons. About retreating monsoon season. During October-November, with the apparent movement of the sun towards the south, the monsoon trough or the low-pressure trough over the northern plains becomes weaker. This is gradually replaced by a high-pressure system. The southwest monsoon winds weaken and start withdrawing gradually. By the beginning of October, the monsoon withdraws from the northern plains. The months of October-November form a period of transition from hot rainy season to dry winter conditions. The retreat of the monsoon is marked by clear skies and rise in temperature. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about retreating monsoon season. The retreat of the monsoon is marked by cloudy skies and fall in temperature. The months of October-November form a period of transition from hot rainy season to dry winter conditions. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.